Hello guys, welcome once more to CryptoZilla YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, you should count yourself very lucky because I'm about to show you something that will blow up your mind. But before that, let me ask you, do you have old books, written notes, documents, handouts, seminar works, projects, PDF, or any other document at all you own? Are you aware you can actually make a whole lot of money from them? I know what you're thinking already. Let me guess. What is this one saying, and how is that possible? All right, you're about to actually know how. Where a whole lot of people actually need those books and documents. They are ready to pay for them. Don't get me wrong, you are not selling off your materials, but the contents. I know by now you are already itching to know how. I will show you. But before that, please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification icon so you get notified whenever we come up with videos or updates like this to help you make money online. Remember, all we do on this channel is to bring the latest updates on cryptocurrencies and how to make money on the internet generally. If you need more intensive guide, you can do well to chat me up on WhatsApp. My number is on the description of the video. All right, let's dive straight up into this video. So guys, you are welcome back. Now I want to show you this system where you can make money from selling your documents, your books, ebooks, PDFs, and your notebooks. Don't get me wrong, you're not sending out your materials to anybody, but you are selling the content of it, you are monetizing it. So if you're a student, you have to make money from your notebooks and the contents of your books. If you're a teacher, this platform is also for you because there are options for you to answer questions on different subjects and as well to teach students and also to do assignments for students on this platform and get paid for doing that. Now let's see what Google has to say about this platform. Now if you see here, they say you're selling documents to earn 5,000 US dollars a month. Then you also earn money answering questions. Then as in Nigeria, you can earn up to $7,500 by helping students in some subjects. Then the name of this platform, I know you are eager to know, is called studypool.com. Now, the link is on the description of this video. You can click on it. It will take you directly to the website of this website. Now, it's a very amazing, a very good, wonderful site. A lot of people are making a whole lot of money from the system. Now, let me show you what people are making so far from this system. Now, if you take a look at this section here, at the left-hand side, they say top contributors. This guy is making a massive amount. He's making $83,000. I made a total of $83,000, 79,000 this guy, and $70,000 for this guy. So you see that people are making a whole lot of money on this from this system. So you too can make this, but how? So on this website called studypool.com, you can see here it has a section for subjects, business, humanities, mathematics, programming, and all rest of it. Then on business, it also has its own subjects, uh, topics or areas where you can choose or any niche where you are good at that you really want to work on. These are the topics or the headings here. Now, on humanities as well, it has its own section on mathematics where I dwell in. These are the subjects so far. On programming for our ICT gurus is for you. And also on science, it has its own section. So it has a whole lot of things in it. And aside from selling your documents, you can as well be a tutor on this platform. People are willing to pay you to teach them, to answer their questions. Now, these are the things that are needed to be done on this platform to get going. Then what to upload? You can upload a quiz or exam preparations. You practice text, exam preparation materials, study guides can also be helpful resource to students. So people are willing to pay for these materials, old assignments, past homework projects, reports, presentations, papers, etc. that students can review as references. You see, all these ones are also needed by students. Now, the question is, how do you get started? Now, uh, if you look at this, you see a section here that says sell docs. You click on sell docs. Now, it says here, earn money by selling study documents. Then you earn passive income of up to $5,000 a month. They will share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. So you are earning up to $10 anytime any student views any of it. So here on this section is sell documents, earn free unlocks, my uploads. So I'll take you down these sections as well. But before that, let's finish up with this document section. Now, this is my dashboard. Before you proceed, do well to register before you proceed this. So all you need for your registration, when you come to this home page, you see login and sign up on the top. I've already logged in. This is my login. This is my ID, membership ID. So when you log in, you have your own ID here. So you can log in with Google or you create an account using your email and password. See here, you upload your document to earn up to $10 per document viewed. If it is being approved, you earn when someone views it. If it's declined, it will show this way. If it's pending, it will also show this way. Then if I click here now, I will be uploading a document for someone to have access to. So let me upload a document. Now, when you try to upload the documents, this will pop up. They say before you upload, do not upload answers you have received as a student or submitted as a tutor on Studypool. Failure to comply with result in removal of the self-doc feature on your account. Do not mix poor quality content with high quality content. This will lead to a very large processing delays and potentially all content being denied. So you click on I understand, you proceed. It's uploading. So here, as you can see, I already have one document I already uploaded waiting for approval. So if it's been approved, it will reflect here. Up here, it says upload your document to earn up to $10 per document viewed. So you earn up to $10 for any document and any person views. Then document spending for approval is one. I uploaded one. Then here you click on upload here to upload a document to your page. Then they say tips. You help students find their documents by uploading strong titles. Doing this has shown to increase sales by 480%. So not just document, but building the document, but the title it also has will help to attract people to that document to or kind of to view the document, and you get paid when people views it. Now, when you must have uploaded the document, they say documents are typically processed within 48 hours, but can take longer depending on the volume. So when they review the documents, they upload it for you, and when anybody views it, you get paid for that. Now, aside from uploading the document, you too might want to have access to some rich contents as a student or as a researcher. Now, this section is for you. It says earn free unlocks. If you click on earn free unlocks, now on these are earn free unlocks, what it means is you earning free points to actually unlock other documents. Because for you to have access to any documents on this platform, you must pay for it. The upload is free, but to have access to someone else's documents, you will have to pay. So to earn free tokens or 3 points to have free access to somebody else's document, this is what you need to do. Now they say you can share old class note, assignment, and test preparation material to help students to learn. Then we accept documents in all languages. So if you are Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa, you have documents in your local language, you can upload here to earn free points. Now here it says we accept documents in all languages, okay, pay for instant access. Now, instead of paying $180 to have access to many documents, you can just pay $4 per month to have access. Once you pay $4 a month, you earn 2 unlocks, or you upload for free access. When you upload 10 documents, you earn 2 on free unlocks. That is if you upload for free. If the documents you upload can be accessed freely by people, then you can earn free 2 unlocks to access other people's documents as well. So that is the pass to accessing people's document. If you upload up to 10 for free, you earn 2 free unlocks. So that is just it. So here, if you want to upload the file, you click on upload more files. Every 10 documents you upload, you gain 2 free unlocks. Every 20 documents, you gain 4 unlocks to have access to other people's documents. So aside from monetizing, you can also, if aside from uploading to monetize, you can also upload for free for people to have access so that you too can have access to other people's documents for free. So there's also a section where you will have to answer questions if you want to. You can answer questions from from students to earn money. So this is the section where you answer questions to earn. So you see this person is asking, you should help him out with my son's homework. I'm stuck and he's ready to pay $10 on geometry and 8th grade. I need a professional resume for a job application. This one is willing to pay $5. This one is willing to pay $7 and all that, and a whole lot of them. And you see, these guys are making a whole lot of money. These are the top earners who are attending to people's questions here and making a whole lot of money. So you too can make that on daily time too. So that is all you need to know about this platform and how to withdraw money if you have earned on this platform. You can withdraw through Skrill or Payoneer. As you can see, these are the payment options available on this platform. So also check this channel for a tutorial on how to open a Skrill account, on how to withdraw from a Skrill account as well directly to your Nigerian bank account. So this platform is global. It accepts people from all countries. So you can join as well and start making money instantly. Good luck on this. This is CryptoZilla. Do well to subscribe on this channel and click on the notification icon to get notified whenever we upload videos like this to help you make money online. Also on this channel, we'll have videos on arbitrage, the videos as you can see on your screen. You might find one interesting and take advantage of the information you have in it. Please, whatever information we'll send to you on this channel is for educational purposes. You do well to make your own research before get engaged in any of them. Please subscribe and like our video. Also drop a comment on the comment section. That will encourage us to keep doing more. Also, you can reach out to me through my WhatsApp number on the description of this video if you need more guide on making money online.